Need to lower your bill fast? Redeeming points for a statement credit is the easiest option, but it's almost always the worst value. Let's talk about when it makes sense. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In your account, go to Redeem Points. You'll see an option like Pay with Points or Redeem for Statement Credit. The rate is typically 1 point equals $0.006, 0.6 of a cent. So 10,000 points would only be worth $60 toward your balance. Compare that to transferring to airlines, where those same points could be worth $150 or more in travel. My crucial pro tip: only do this in a true financial emergency. If you're carrying a high interest balance and can't pay it, using points to reduce that debt can provide immediate relief and save you on interest. For any other situation, be patient and save your points for travel redemptions. Understand the trade-off between convenience and value. Have you ever redeemed for a statement credit? What was the circumstance? For more guides on points redemption strategy, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.